Right guys, we are here today to test my patience when it comes to the 10 most annoying sounds in the world. And I'm going to be honest, if it actually does properly piss me off. Right, so let's just get into this video. Let's just put this full screen, that's it. That's it. Bear in mind I've got earphones in, trips, because this is going to go through me. See, the dentist drill does irritate me a wee bit. It doesn't actually annoy me as much, should I say. It's just, it reminds me that I hate that feeling. See, when you go to the dentist and you get that pure drill right in the back of your teeth. Oh, there's nothing worse, man. Let's just crack on. Baby crying doesn't actually bother me. I can deal with that. Like, an actual baby crying is just a natural thing. They can't help that. Do you know what I mean? It's something that does not go through me. It's more of a scroochy noise that would go through me. It's annoying me that that's even in this. What the hell? Right, let's just fast forward. Ah, no, that makes me feel bad. No, that does. You just must know how that feels. See that feeling when somebody goes up to like a nail, like a board, a whiteboard and that, and does that with their nails and it scrooches all. Oh my god, man. Just crack on. Right. If it goes on and on, yes, that pisses me off. Right, so that's me, that's 2. It's actually annoyed me. My wee brother Corey, he's actually really bad for that. For his alarm going off and off and off and off and just completely blanking it. Right, I'm not able to pass it through. It's not bothering me. Again, does not bother me. So I've passed. Would you believe that? Guys, it would be good if in the comments yous could put what you found the most annoying out of that video. What's got to you most, because I'm sure everyone's minds work very differently at times, so it would be good to know how it affected you guys. Like me, I passed, I got 2. Don't get me wrong, other ones were a wee bit irritating, but didn't actually annoy me that much to the point I would have to turn off the video. So, guys, please hit that subscribe button, it'd be very greatly appreciated. And follow the Twitter and Instagram at Carson9TV.